You are listening to WNPD, Nantucket's Public Safety Radio Network, 105.5 Low Power FM.
Good afternoon. This is the Town of Nantucket Emergency Management. Town Manager Libby Gibson has declared a snow emergency for the Town of Nantucket effective as of 2 a.m. Saturday, January 7, 2017. As part of the emergency declaration, a parking ban has been declared to be in effect for roadways where at least one sign prohibits parking for the purpose of facilitating snow removal. Parking ban is in effect from 2 a.m. Saturday.
Emily's gonna freak out when she sees this. Any normal human would freak out when they saw that. You're about to see the end of a relationship.
Oh God. Oh God. No, 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 no. Oh my goodness. No way, no way. Oh my God. You know when little kids freak out when their dads shave off their beards? I feel like one of those little kids. I don't even know who you are. Look at your face.